In this tutorial, we'll show you how to plug your skimmer and return after draining your pool for winter closing. After your water has been properly balanced and winterized, it is now time to drain water from your pool. If you have winterizing skimmer and return plugs, we recommend draining the water to the bottom lip of the skimmer faceplate. In our Midwest climate, we feel it is best to lower the water level, even though the directions on your plugs indicate not to. Draining the water will protect the pool top rails from potential ice damage. First, remove the weir gate and basket from the skimmer. Next, firmly push your skimmer plug directly into the skimmer faceplate from inside the pool. Make sure you firmly push around the outer edges of the plug, making sure it is secure. Check that the opening on the bottom of the skimmer is unobstructed to allow drainage of any water over the winter months. This will help prevent the skimmer from cracking. Once the skimmer plug is in place, you are now ready to plug the return. First, we'll show you how to plug a standard eyeball return. Loosen and remove the ring and the eyeball from inside the pool. Next, you will remove the inner thread portion of the eyeball assembly. If the inner thread does not easily remove, you can use the Hayward Hydro tool to assist. Insert the tool into the inner thread from inside the pool. You will see two grooves that the tool will slide into. Turn counterclockwise to remove the inner thread. Once the whole eyeball assembly is removed, screw in a Hayward 1022 black cap into the return from inside the pool. Make sure it is securely tight. Next, we'll show you how to plug an Aqualuminator return light. Make sure that the light is unplugged. Using your hands or a screwdriver, pop the back cap off the light. Pull apart the two connectors underneath the cap. This will allow you to store away the transformer and the cord. Next, remove the lock ring by turning counterclockwise. When removing the light, there will be a hole in the pool wall that needs to be plugged right away. Be ready with a number 9 expandable plug to prevent water loss. Push the light bulb assembly through the pool wall and remove. Be careful not to drop the light assembly into the pool. Firmly push the number 9 expandable plug into place and turn the wing nut clockwise to expand the plug. Tighten as much as possible. Your skimmer and return are now capped off for the winter. You're ready to disconnect your hoses and store away your filtration system. If you have any questions, please reach out to your nearest Great Escape. We're always happy to help.